Okay, in this class, I have three students right now, and my name is Satyendra Rawar. You are watching the English Spoken Hub. His name is Asad, and she's sitting here. Her name is Disha, and she's Alia. They guys are very intelligent, and they are going to discuss here on my some of questions which will be asked here. So first of all, I would like to start from Asad. Asad, first I would like to ask you a question that what is the main purpose of learning English, that you are also here in this class? Since when you got admission, you are continuously learning English language. So what is the main reason behind coming here every day in the evening 6 to 7 o'clock? You are spending your lot of time for your study to improve your communication, and as far as my knowledge is concerned, he has improved his communication, and Disha has also improved her communication. She is also improving, day by day. So I just want to know that how you are giving your precious time to your study. How did you improve yourself, and why are you learning it? Hmm.
Actually, sir, I want to tell you that I'm learning English because it is a hard skill, and English is a very good skill. We have seen that in many kinds of jobs we need English skills, and I have seen that it's a common tongue.
But
It is
I have heard so many times that people say, sir, we are living in India and Hindi is our mother tongue. Why do we learn English language?
actually that is on other side. If we talk about English, and some of them says that Hindi is our mother tongue, so we cannot communicate with everyone in Hindi.
Okay.
Actually, English is an international language which we can communicate with.
That is the main reason you are saying that this is the international language. This is the main reason. That's by everyone I'm talking about, students, they all are behind this particular English language. They want to learn, actually. They want to become very effective speaker, and they want to enhance their communication skill, to join multinational companies, and to become a teacher or a language trainer. As you are saying that this is the international language, in with the help of this language, people are dealing with their customers, and they are dealing in their businesses. Okay, so that's why he is saying that it is international language. Very good. Okay, I want to listen very unique thing. What would be that from your side? कि ये हमारी जो भाषा है, ठीक है, जो हम सीख रहे हैं अभी, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, apart from English language, why do we not learn other language?
Actually, I have said one point that English is the international language, as well as English is the most easiest language ever we have seen in the whole country.
Okay.
Actually, English is known as a common language.
Okay.
It's a common tongue. We have seen that many kinds of people use English to communicate with other things, like as you said that with customers, we can communicate in English. Actually, people thinks that English, if we are learning English, or if we are speaking English in front of someone else, so our profession is we are known as a good person. Our personality
Knowing English, I would like to tell you guys here in this class and to my viewers as well, that if you have good command in English language, it doesn't mean that you are individual. Okay, you are having a lot of knowledge. No, this is just a language. If you are speaking in English language or in any language, it does not mean that you have a lot of knowledge about particular subject. This is not a subject. Okay, is that clear? Thank you. Speak.
so as you said that
Hmm.
but the people think that if we are speaking English in
You,
front of
you
someone else,
hmm.
so our personality gets good in front of someone, and many kinds of people think that if we are speaking English, so we are known as us.
Now in this in this generation, in at this time, it is a daunting task for learning English language for everyone, as far as my knowledge is concerned personally. Okay, thank you, Asad. And I just want to talk to you as well. As I told you that her name is Disa, and she's studying, I think, in fourth class or fifth. I'm studying in sixth class. Sixth class. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, Disha, while learning English, what type of difficulties do you face? Have you ever faced any kind of difficulty?
So when I does not know about English,
Hmm.
I feel lot of difficulties to understand English. But when I come here, so
Hmm.
you give me the teaching English about the starting, and
Hmm.
as I know about, I also feel difficulty in now.
Everybody feels, everybody feels hesitation in initial days of learning anything, whether it's math, whether it's math and other subjects. Okay, so in initial stage of learning anything, it's very common to face, difficulties and feel hesitation. Okay, I can understand. That's why, I have created a program for weak students and intermediate students and advanced students as well. Here I teach them basic things so that they could improve their foundation, and they could get some grammatical things to improve their grammar, so that they could, attain any, government sectors exam and CBSC exam to achieve some good marks, right?
Yeah,
Okay, that's why I start from very basic level. Ismr was, were,
yeah,
will be. In that condition I teach राम खाता है और राम चोर है, वह एक लड़का है, वह एक लड़की है, such kind of sentences I start. Okay, and this is the main reason why I teach all these things in the beginning of sentence, or in the beginning of English language, or in this class, okay, of English. ठीक है? Okay, thank you. बोलिए बोलिए, अब
yeah.
बोलिए.
And in this class, when all people speak English, when you ask me some sentences,
Okay,
then I know the answers, but I'm just hesitating to say the answer, because I thought that if I say the answer, so
it
uh,
would be
it
wrong,
will
it would
be,
be considered
yeah,
wrong, incorrect. Okay.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, sometimes I saw the people who are saying the wrong answer, but you are not.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Disa, can you tell me that when you got admission here, that time, how did you feel?
So
हाउ डिड यू फील दैट टाइम? क्या आपने महसूस किया था जब आपने नया नया यहाँ पे एडमिशन लिया था?
So first, when I come here, I thought that
हम्म.
you are very strict.
हम्म.
But when I come here, I saw all the people and
हम्म.
elder sisters and
Okay.
brothers
हम्म.
who are learning English here,
हम्म.
and they also tell us you
हम्म.
are a very uh, intelligent
हम्म.
language trainer, and
हम्म.
as I know about you, you are teaching from something 9 to 8 years.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay, that's true,
uh,
that's pretty
and
true.
when I come here, so I
Hmm.
feel very hesitate,
Hmm.
because it's all are
And
new
now,
for
how do
me.
you feel, Disha? Would you like to tell to my viewers that how you are feeling right now after learning English language? Because still you are learning. Okay, I am not saying that
Mm.
after learning. Okay, I'm just saying that कि अभी भी सीख रहे हो आप, मतलब कैसा महसूस करते हो after learning,
Yeah, I am feeling well,
because you
because
are capable of speaking
yeah.
in English
And
language.
my family member also proud on me.
Hmm.
I'm speaking English, and as I talk about
Hmm.
in my school, my rank is also
Hmm.
uh, get
He.
increase,
Hmm.
and my class teacher also say that she is best in English. And as a, in my family member,
Hmm.
they also
For everything.
for everything they uh,
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, Disha. Thank you. Okay, thank you for talking to you. Or thank you for talking to me. Nice to talk to you, Disha. Okay, here, Alia.
Yes,
Alia,
sir.
in which class do you study, Alia?
So I study in seventh standard.
Seventh standard. Alia, what do you like most?
I like most SST.
SST.
Yes.
Okay, you told about your favorite subject, right?
Yes.
Okay, in your family, how many members are there?
In my family, there are 9 members.
9 members. Whom do you like most?
Um, My father.
Okay, your father. Can you tell me something about your father?
My father is a hardworking
Okay.
man, and he do work in his own shop, and
Okay.
he has three shops under him,
Hmm.
and that taping
Hmm?
taping.
He you know he has management of taping vehicles.
He have
Management of.
management of taping vehicles,
Hmm.
and she didn't say no to me for everything,
Okay,
and
okay, okay. Alia, as you know that your father is doing hard work for your education.
yes.
He's trying to educate you, okay, from the school, from this place, okay, so that you could become something and get success and become successful person, right? What do you want to do for your father, for your mom, and for your brother, sister, for the
uh,
society as well? How will you contribute yourself to the nation?
so my father have a dream that oh, my daughter have to become a doctor, so I
Okay.
want to become a doctor for him or for
Okay,
my
you
brother.
want to become, actually she wants to become a doctor for her family, and I'm also proud of her that she is thinking like that. She has big dream and she is also working on that. Okay, as you can see here, she is also speaking in English language. So Alia, how do you manage your time for your study? Can you discuss here your strategy to learn English language and to learn other subjects, question answers? How do you prepare for that, for your exams? Because everybody knows that exams are around the corner, and you might have, definitely you will be doing hard work. Actually everybody does. So how do you manage your time for your study?
So first of all, I like to tell you what I'm not that student that do who study where एक रात पहले
Before
exam.
one, right?
Before
Before
one
one night.
night of the exam, I study he some whole year.
Mm-hmm.
So I study 1 to 2 hour in a day, and
Mm-hmm.
uh, for my tuition homework and the other subject homework, I take मैं अलग से time निकालती हूँ.
I manage my time separately
I
for
manage my
separate subject.
I manage my time separately for that subject homeworks, and I do study for 1 to 2 hours.
How did you get to know what is your weakest point? क्या आप कैसे आपको पता चला कि आपका weakest point क्या है, and to improve yourself and to make that strong, what do you do?
Uh, so as I say, my favorite
What is your weak subject?
uh, from the past of years, my weak subject is maths and social science.
Mm-hmm.
But social science become my favorite nowadays.
Mm-hmm. Because
Uh,
you are studying, actually
yes.
everything is possible with the help of hard work. By way of your hard work, by way of your dedication, by way of your consistency, you can achieve anything. You can have for your career, for your future. You can become anything. Yeah, continue please.
In maths, I'm doing practice nowadays. I do one exercise daily of my maths book that can I improve my maths before my exams.
Hmm.
And in social science, I'm most weak in political, because from my childhood I didn't study out anything about political. My brother should have studied a lot of things about political.
ओके, ओके, थैंक यू आलिया। गाइस, आपको ये कॉन्वर्सेशन कैसा लगा? अगर आपको ये कॉन्वर्सेशन अच्छा लगा और आप इसी तरीके के और भी वीडियोस चाहते हैं इसी चैनल के माध्यम से, तो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा। तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत, बाय बाय, टेक केयर।